Hey peeps, this is your buddy Jace and let's waste no time and unbox this GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I've already been using this device for a good 7 days now, and just for the sake of unboxing, I put back all the items inside the case just to show you guys what are included in this special bundle. So it's just nice that GoPro actually now sell this out with this lovely casing. I think this is at least water repellent, sprinkle repellent. But yes, first of all, we have some documents, papers here, and lovely stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? Hey, lovely, isn't it? And if you haven't subscribed to GoPro yet, I think that's a good option for you to consider, just for peace of mind. And nothing else, I would say. So this special bundle comes with this floating holder, and I would say I'm not a fan of it, though it's very light to carry and looks stylish. I would say this is a good plastic quality. I like the color, and it has this holder at the bottom, rubbery one, stretchable. But I'm not a fan of this foamy holder right here, because after quite some time this will smell, especially if you've got sweaty arms. So I'm not a fan of it. I know this will float even without this foam material, as long as it has an enclosed compartment inside. That is just one thing that I don't like the most about this new GoPro Hero 9 bundle. So you've got here two mounts for your GoPro with two different models or style, one with a longer stand there, and I would say this is more appropriate when you want to use this magnetic swivel clip, like when you want to mount it on your helmet, in front of your helmet on the chin part. It's better to use it with a long mount, so it depends on how you're going to use it. So you've got two. I'm going to talk more about this item later. This is one of my favorite now, actually. And of course it comes with the USB-C charging cable and serves as data cable as well, and another mount here, of course. And with the special bundle, it comes with two GoPro Hero 9 batteries, which is bigger compared to previous batteries for the previous models of GoPro Black or Hero Black, like 8, 7, 6, and 5. Well, with the special bundle, you will also receive a 32GB SanDisk Extreme micro SD card, which is absolutely not enough. But it's still nice to have it. 32GB can still record lots of videos. 32GB, not bad. You can just buy another one if you need more storage. And of course, we've got here the actual camera itself. As you can see, I've already removed the lens cover here, and I'm just waiting for the protective glasses to apply on it, on the front screen, and of course on the main screen on the back. So I would say size wise, this is bigger than my Hero 8. By the way guys, if you're new in the channel, you may want to consider subscribing, because we're going to be doing lots of unboxing like this one, cameras, video equipment, audio equipment as well, and some alternatives, third-party products, cheap ones with good quality. So moving on, so right here you've got the same size of camera for the previous models like 7, 6, and 5, which you can actually remove, which is good because you can always replace this one if you happen to break it. Hopefully not, but yes, you can remove it, which is a good thing, of course. But I don't think I'll be needing that. Personally, I'm just an ordinary user of GoPro. I do cycle, I do water activities, and it's not quite extreme really. So I've never broken a glass or a lens for a GoPro with my Hero 5 and Hero 8. So bigger logo of GoPro there, bigger microphone at the front, and I think there's still more microphone there. I think this one is also microphone. You've got the switch here and the mode button, and this thing you don't need to remove it because it's the drain for your microphone. So I don't know if that's gonna help a lot. But as you can see, we also have here the built-in mount, which I have never used with my GoPro Hero 8, this built-in mount, because I was scared I might break them. But the thing is, it is replaceable, but the bad thing is you have to spend another money for that. So what I do with my Hero 8, I bought a case so that will be protected, and also the body of my camera will be protected as well. Well, again, you have the same style of battery cover and SD card cover, this thing, which is also removable. It's the same with GoPro Hero 8. The Hero 8 one doesn't have this spring that pulls it back in place. this one has actually, which is a good improvement on this model. So I think that's it for the unboxing part, and I just like to mention 3 things, good and bad. Okay, 3 things about this item, having used this for 7 days now. It's good that the battery is bigger. This is number 1. The battery is bigger, more capacity, longer video recording with one single battery, and it's just a bonus that I have an extra one for the special bundle. This is something useful. I don't think I'll be needing more. Probably just have to really have them ready, full charge, before I go outside and record video with this camera. Another good thing that I like is that it comes with this very useful magnetic swivel clip. Swivel because this thing can be rotated, so you can, you know, face your camera to whatever angle you want it with a clip just attached in one direction. So that's genius. So well done for that, GoPro. And this is actually a strong clip. It has a very strong spring there to really hold this tight onto anything you want to clip it on. And you see the ridges there, that's rubber, so it is safe. It won't cause any scratch on the surface you want to clip this on. And I find this very useful when I want to use my camera in the car, because I have lots of surfaces there, edges that I can clip this on, and then put the camera on the camera, face it towards me when I'm driving or just in the middle, and just turn it around if you want the camera to be facing the road or the front of the car. So this is very helpful. I like this. And if I don't want to use a massive holder, I can just simply mount my GoPro here and hold it like this. So easy, isn't it? Instead of me holding the GoPro itself, which can cause it to be really shaky. So I would say doing it like this can be less shaky for me. So I'd like to go now to the last thing that I'd like to mention. Having used this GoPro for 7 days, I don't know if this is happening to other users, but my unit is heating up. Even when I unboxed it the first time, after I turned this on, I'm not recording at all yet, I noticed that it was heating up. And usually I have never experienced that before with my previous GoPro models. This is my 3rd one. I had the GoPro Hero 5, which I have given to my brother. I have the Hero 8, which I have returned. But yeah, it heats up even after I have updated the firmware. Same problem still exists. So I need more time to really observe. I have already reached out to GoPro, but as many of you have been experiencing, it is a terrible experience reaching out to them, to their support team, because they're not very helpful really. So another thing that I'd like to mention, sorry, this is actually heavier than the previous models, since this is a bit bigger and a bit thicker as well. So this is not surprising, but I would say this is still handy somehow. I got used to it only after 7 days of using it, so it's not a lot different than the other models like Hero 6 or 5, 6, 7, 8. A bit bigger, but of course you've got bigger battery, and you're just gonna compromise with portability, which I would say is still portable anyways. So that's it guys, an ordinary tech unboxing from your ordinary guy, and I hope I was able to give you some basic ideas about this new GoPro Hero 9. I would say if you have Hero 7 or Hero 8, it's not really worth it jumping and spending more money to upgrade to Hero 9. So Hero 8 is still a very good camera if you don't have those issues that I mentioned before that I'm experiencing. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want more on tech, travel, tech tips, subscribe now and hit the notification bell for instant updates. And this is your buddy Jace, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.